What if the next step in your life isn't just about where you'll go, but who you'll become? School is more than lectures and exams. It's a launchpad for your calling. Somewhere you can grow, fellowship, pray, but most importantly, step into the purpose you were made for. A place where spiritual growth is nurtured and leaders are forged. I know a place, not just where you learn, but where you awaken to who God calls you to be. As the Spirit inspires you, Horizon equips and walks alongside you. And whether you're on campus or online, Horizon's programs are built for wherever you're planted. This isn't just a degree, it's preparation for the mission you were made for. Whether it's the pulpit, the boardroom, or across the world, Horizon launches leaders.
Yeah, this is the place for me.
The world needs leaders. Answer the call.